Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coming to you guys with another wig review, and the wig that I got today is from wigs.com. So inside of it is, I guess this is a little scarf. So I got this pretty little scarf. I also got this little points card, as well as this little elastic strap that you can put on in the back of the wig. So this wig comes with 4 combs, which is 3 in the middle of the wig, and then you get the 1 comb in the back. And so I'm going to go ahead and try this wig on for size, just so that you guys see what it looks like. And I think that it is tight and it fits kind of well. So you want your wig to be a little tight anyway. So I do like the way that it fit once I put it on my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my serrated shears to go ahead and cut this lace off. And this is what the lace looks like once it's off of the wig. And I'm going to spray my Got to Be Glued around the perimeter of my hair and let that get a little tacky. And then I'm going to go ahead and start applying the wig to my hair. You guys, I'm just so shocked at how it looked like from first glance putting it on my head. Like, it blended so well. And this is the HD lace. So I was very shocked when I put it on, just to see how quickly like it blended without like having to do so much from the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and finish applying and let you guys see. Okay, you guys, so for my comfort, I'm going to go ahead and add some LA Girl Pro Concealer to this lace. But as you can see, this lace is already well blended, just awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and style this wig, and I'll be back. So one thing I do want to let you guys know is that this wig is very, very silky. It is not a yucky texture wig, so it's very, very silky. It's like silk sliding through your fingers. So it is just like water, and I love it so very much. And it was very, very easy to curl, and it is just, I'm just so floored by how this wig turned out for just like $79. So yeah. The only thing that I feel like would make this even better is just a little layers to the front of this wig. I really do think that it would be just even more awesome with some layers, because I love layers. So I may just add a few layers and then let you guys see what that looks like. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and just put those layers in that I was talking about before, just to see how I would like it. And I really am appreciating this wig a whole lot more now that I put those layers in my head. So yeah, I really do. I like it better now, because it gives it a little bit more oomph instead of just that straight layer, or just that straight whatever you want to call it, just that straight look. So if you want to order this wig, go to yowigs.com. That's YOOWIGS.com. That link will be down below. And I'll also leave the link to this wig down below, so you guys can go ahead and take a look at it if you want to order from their website. It was really easy ordering. They shipped really fast. I feel like as soon as I ordered it, they shipped the wig out. So I really do appreciate you know, their shipping, because like I said before, if you have been watching my channel, I am overseas, and there's nothing like being able to order from a website that can get you your products to you in a timely manner. So that was awesome for me. They do go up in price the longer the length that you get, because it's not the only length that you have to get in this wig. I got the shortest length because I didn't want to do any more cutting on a wig, so I wanted to see a shorter wig on me. So yeah, and that is it. Oh, that's it. That's all. That's all I got. Okay, I do thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post new videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.